These phrases, they're not just words, they're keys to unlocking a whole new level of expression. And the best part, they're hiding in a plain sight, in the conversations happening all around us. Today, we're turning into the language wavelength of Zendaya, not because she is a star, but because her interview is a goldmine of everyday English expressions that you can start using right now. So, are you ready to upgrade your English to high definition? Let's jump in and explore 8 phrases that will add some serious zing to your vocabulary.
It was a lot of training, a lot of just literally getting up there and just going for it. I remember I had been rehearsing on this specific rig that I was used to.
Our first phrase is going for it. This means pursue something with enthusiasm and to make a bold attempt. Here are some examples. I saw my dream job advertised and decided I'm going for it, even though I didn't meet all the requirements. She's always wanted to start her own business, and this year she's finally going for it. The underdog team is really going for it in the final quarter, giving it their all.
I remember I had been rehearsing on this specific rig that I was used to.
Get used to means to become accustomed to something new or different. Let's look at some scenarios. It took me a while to get used to the new operating system on my phone. Moving to a new country was challenging, but I'm slowly getting used to the different customs. Working from home was strange at first, but now I'm getting used to the flexibility it offers.
You were fantastic in the film, and as we were just talking about, congratulations, you just got nominated for 3 Golden Globes today. That's a big deal. That's a big deal.
When someone says that's a big deal, they're emphasizing the importance or significance of something. Let's look at some scenarios. You get accepted into your top choice university. That's a big deal, congratulations. Getting married is a big deal. It's a huge commitment and a major life change. Being chosen to lead the new project is a big deal. It shows how much they trust your abilities.
So don't ask me to do any trapeze when you see me, because it's not gonna, I don't have it anymore. I don't have it anymore.
That was a different time.
It was a different time. It was a different time.
The phrase, "it was a different time," is often used to explain past behaviors or situations that might seem strange or inappropriate now. This is how you might use it. Back then, it was common for people to smoke indoors. It was a different time. We used to memorize phone numbers. It was a different time before smartphones. 60-hour work weeks were standard in my first job. It was a different time in the industry.
Oh, yeah. I would say, hey, guys, it's called CGI. Look it up and let's figure out this. Get this net right now.
Take this out usually means to remove something, either physically or from a piece of writing or speech. Here are some examples. This paragraph doesn't fit with the rest of the essay. Let's take this out. The roast is ready. Can you take this out from the oven for me? I don't think this accessory works with the outfit. Let's take this out and try something else.
We'll zap it out later, man. Airbrush it out, man. I don't care what you gotta do. Shoot around it. I need 2 nets, in fact, yeah.
Right.
Zap it out is a more casual, energetic way of saying take this out or remove this quickly. Let's see how we can use this. That background noise is ruining the audio. Can we zap it out in post-production? If a sentence isn't working, just zap it out and start fresh. If an idea isn't viable, don't dwell on it. Just zap it out and move on to the next one.
The rig was like 15 to 20 feet taller, and there was no net.
What?
No net.
Oh, no.
Because back in the day, they didn't have those yet.
People use back in the day to refer to a period in the past, often with a sense of nostalgia. Here are how you might use it. Back in the day, we had to rewind VHS tapes before returning them to the video store. Bell-bottom jeans were all the rage back in the day. Back in the day, people would line up at record stores to buy new album releases.
And so we really had to quite literally trust each other, because he had to hold my weight and I had to hold him, you know? So it was just kind of like a great icebreaker. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Great icebreaker.
An icebreaker is an activity or question designed to relax people in social situations and help them start talking to each other. Let's see how we can use this in different contexts. We'll start the conference with a quick icebreaker to help everyone get comfortable. Playing 2 truths and a lie is a great icebreaker at social gatherings. On the first day of the course, the professor used a fun icebreaker to help students get to know each other.
That's how you do it! That is how you do it! Zendaya, everybody!
When someone says, "that's how you do it," They're expressing approval of a method or action. Now, let's see some examples. Perfect form on that dive. That's how you do it. You found a solution that saved both time and money. Now that's how you do it. You managed to get the perfect crust on that pie. That's how you do it. And there you have it. You're now 9 expressions closer to fluency. So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Try using one of these phrases in a conversation this week. See how it feels. See how it changes the dynamic of your interaction. Remember, every conversation is a chance to discover something new. So get out there, listen closely, and most importantly, don't be afraid to go for it with your English. Bye.